Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 16 by 20 canvas, and I did a video just a few weeks ago. It was video number 217, and one of the comments was from Julie Rositer, and she loved the colors and suggested that I do a ring pour with them. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So the first color is actually a mix of these two. They're the same color, quinacridone magenta, and one is Artist Loft and the other is Liquitex Basics. Then I have metallic cobalt blue from Artist Loft, and both of these are from Folk Art. One is tanzanite and this one is my white pearl. It's my go-to white pearl that I like to use. Alright, so I've got my cup. I'm gonna go ahead and get my gloves on and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I've got my gloves on and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I've got the cobalt blue is what I'm going to start with. And all of my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And I don't add any silicone, so none of that in these paints today. Alright, now I'm gonna go with the tanzanite. Every time I use tanzanite, it has a tendency of taking over. So I did thin it out a little bit more than the other colors. So we'll see what happens. For those of you that haven't watched me before, the pouring medium that I use is a mix. It is 60% Liquitex pouring medium, 30% Floetrol, and then 10% water. That's usually what I use. It's what works best for me. I've tried different combinations, and that one is the one that I get the best results from. Put a little bit more white. Now I'm not sure if this is going to be enough paint. If not, I can either do another cup or I can just pour around the edges. Alright, so let me move this out of the way for now. And I'm just going to go ahead, bend that, and then I'm going to start pouring. Alright, here goes. Okay guys, so I know that this is not enough paint to cover this canvas, so I went ahead and I made another cup, and I'm actually gonna do just a couple more ring pours on here and then I'll start moving it around. Okay, so I'm gonna start over here. Okay guys, it's been about a half an hour and I'm going to take you in so you can see how amazing this painting looks. Just look at the detail in this painting. It's awesome. I got these really cool purple cells that popped up over here. And I got some white ones. There's a little bit of pink coming through there. But I love this whole section. It's almost has like the cloudy effect. It's awesome looking. Love, love, love. I got some really nice defined lines. Look at those colors. Oh my gosh, I love this. Alright, so I'm gonna let it dry and I will be back. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. I'll take you in for a closer look so you can see the cool detail. It dried pretty much the same. So I'm really happy about that. I love all the detail that I got. Julie, I hope you are happy with my results. I am super happy with my results. I especially love that. I just love all these colors. I got some cool defined lines as well as the, you know, cloudy effect and the cells, and it's really, really cool. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in my description, and have a great day.